1/4 mile.
All right, this one's just gonna mat it. Takes a second to kick in. Huh. Horrible. All right, so as you've seen there, very slow. It definitely feels quicker than what it is. Around town, this is more than enough, like, get up and go. Like, when you're just shifting around 3-4 grand, it gets up and picks up speed real quick, gets you up to the speed limit nice and good. But once you get into higher RPMs, this thing is it's a snail. I think like the old 3.5 way from, I think, 09, no, not 09, because they had the 2-liter turbo, or 2.3 turbo back then. But I think even the old 2.3 turbo would pull more than this. I haven't driven one of those, but I feel like it must pull more. But I know for a fact the V6 in these, with the 6-speed automatic, is definitely faster. So it's just sad to see that they go slower even with a turbo. But the V6 and this with the 6-speed auto, I think would be definitely more potent, especially top end. So this thing, it's fine for the wife, but for me, as in like when I want to drive it, and if I take it and I'm by myself, like I want more passing power than that. That is just very underwhelming to me. Now, mind you, the weather, it is hot and the DA is really high, the temps are high, so in the winter it's probably more like a mid-6, mid-14s, but in this weather, summer weather, it's a 15-second 1/4 mile, which is just absolutely horrible. Like big trucks will destroy this thing. So I know people don't buy SUVs to go fast, but if you want to, you're not able to. So it's still a good vehicle overall, really nice, like super nice interior. Like I said, great sound system, great. Like I love the gauges. The gauges remind me of like the old RSX Type S style. So I love that. I love the gauges. I love the look of the paddle shifts. I love the way they feel. I love the response of the paddles, like so much better than the 9-speed. But when it comes to performance, like it doesn't have it. Like it's got all the qualities for it, but it just doesn't perform like it looks and how it should. Now, I know it's just like even if they put like a Type R turbo on here, it would work so much better. I know people are doing that with the 2-liter Accords, but again, like it's not enough power for me for the price. For me personally, I don't think I really care for the RDX. The wife liked it, but again, it comes down to the price of it. If we're gonna spend 40 grand, like that's what this is. This one's 40 grand. It's a 2021 fucking guy. This guy just gets right in my lane. I'm driving and recording and drive better. For the price point, I think it can get better. Like I said, X3 is way better in my opinion. Even the 2-liter turbo in the X3 is probably way more potent and powerful, and the transmission's better. So those ZF 8-speeds are great. So if you're in the market for an RDX and you're like a loyal Honda, Acura, then yeah, that's different. But if you don't really care about the name brand, because you're just gonna have a warranty anyways, I haven't even driven the BMW yet, and I know that thing's definitely better bang for your buck. So I can't wait to test drive the X3 or X5 and see how that does. I still want to test drive like a 2018, 2020 MDX to see that, but the thing is, we have a TLX. I feel like Acura will give us a better trade-in value, but at the same time, they also might just try to rob us, so we'll have to sell privately anyways. Guys, that's my quick thoughts on this car. Just kind of wanted to show its performance, and all you really seen was the dash and the front of the car. But again, you can see plenty of videos and go from there. Pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe. I have other videos, Acura videos. If I ever get a chance to test drive a car, I try to make a little drive video like this. Like, I'm literally holding my cell phone right now. I don't have a GoPro. My GoPro doesn't work. I gotta get a new one. So right now I'm just doing what I can with my cell phone and my cell phone mic. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.